In Excel, use Find and Replace to search for something in your workbook, like a particular number or text. Press Ctrl F or select Home, Find and select Find. Type what you're looking for. Find Next highlights each result one at a time. Find All shows a list of every occurrence. Need to replace text or numbers? Select Home, Find and select Replace. Type what you want to replace and what you want to replace it with. Select Find Next. Choose Replace to change the results one at a time. Or choose Replace All to change all the results. Found it!